How to fix Hinge not sending verification code. If you are not getting a verification code, here are some steps that you should follow. 1. Reinstall the app. Go at AppStore and reinstall the Hinge app. Write Hinge and press install. 2. Purchase a new number from DatingZest. Go at DatingZestShop and purchase a new number. Press purchase now. Write your billing details and credit card information. Press place order. 3. Change Wi-Fi network. Go at settings and press Wi-Fi. Try to connect the Wi-Fi with another network. 4. Change Apple ID. 1. Tap your name, which appears near the top of your screen. 2. Select name, phone numbers, email. 3. Where it says contactable at, click the blue edit button on the right. 4. Tap the red minus sign that appears on the left side of your Apple ID. 5. Tap delete. 6. Tap continue in the pop-up, asking you to add another email address to use as your Apple ID. Go at Hinge and press create account. Select country. Go at DatingZest and get the number. Paste the number. Hinge will send a code. Copy that code and paste it on Hinge. Your account is now created. Your new account is now created and verified.